Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about things you would do to get paid in book review. So we'll be taking Goodwall as our case study. So I'll actually be pointing out the question people ask about Goodwall, what they want to do, what they are going to be doing to get so professional in Goodwall. So I'll be telling you the steps you have to take, how you're going to be knowing that Goodwill have accepted your challenge and you're going to be paid. So I'll be listing them out on this video. So all you have to do on this video is do not go away. Make sure you stick out because I'm going to be stating out a lot of things by the end of this video. So you do not need to go away. Okay. All right. If today is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Coach Blaze, and all we do on this platform is talk about business tips and how to make money with business and dishing out everything about making money updates. All right. So if actually you've not joined any of my WhatsApp group, my Telegram channels, I'm going to be dropping the description on the comment section or the description section. Please do well to join because you're actually going to be meeting people who have the same perception, who do the things you do, who want to make money as you do want to make money, and you are still going to be seeing ideas that will make you get to your goal. So it's very important to join the group. Obviously, very important. Okay. All right. The things, one of the instructions we give on this platform is, in as much as we are giving you ideas on how to make money, you still have to make sure you make your research properly before you put in your time on anything or any perspectives. Very important. Okay. All right, we are going to be diving into the very the reason of this tutorial this morning. So, number one, I'm going to be stating to you how you will know that Goodwill. Remember, we're taking Goodwill as our case study. So, previously on our previous tutorial, I told you everything you need to know about Goodwill. Goodwill is a review platform, a platform where you can review books and get paid. It's an international platform. It's more or less a university, yeah, where you can get paid. You reviewing goods, reviewing AIs, and reviewing, bringing out what you have inside you. A lot of challenges on Goodwill, so it's a very wonderful platform. All right, I gave you a lot of reviews about them. So in today's video, I'm going to be stating you how you will know that you will be paid on Goodwill, and how you will know that they've actually accepted a particular challenge you did. So I'm going to be stating out on this my video right now. So this is why you need to stay to the end of this video, because at the end of this video there's one important thing you need to know. So whenever you log into your Goodwill account, you actually going to be noticing it. So stay tuned. So I have a lot of questions people ask me about Goodwill. Then number one, I could just highlight one of the questions people asked me about Goodwill. Number one said, how many challenges can I do in a day? This is beautiful. Please take note of this. You don't have a limit of a challenge. Please make sure you keep doing a lot of challenges, because you could just end up doing 5 or even 6 a day. Yeah, make sure you involve in a lot of challenges, because obviously there are people who are so competitive on this platform. So if you're not able to win on this challenge, you can be able to win on the next challenge. So that's the reason you have to involve yourself in so many challenges on this platform. Okay. Obviously, at the end of the day, you will definitely come out winning on one. Now let me tell you this, that you are winning doesn't mean you're going to be the only one winning. There are people, you could be the first winner, but there are plenty other people who are winning a particular challenge with you. So that's why you need to buckle up, do as many challenges you could do. All right, in a day, I could just preferably do 5 in a day. Make sure you, if possible, make sure you're taking part in all the challenges you've seen. Then sit back and watch, then review what you've done. All right. Now the second one is this. The second question goes, how do I know I'm approved? Okay, I'm going to be stating out a a diagram showing you how you will know you are approved. Now, number one, let's just go over to approved approved challenges. Okay, let's just go over to approved challenges. I have this here right now. Let's just go over to it. Okay, let's go over to, sorry. Hold on a moment. I'm getting, I want to show you something, how you will know that you are being approved on a particular challenge. This is it. You will be having this eye icon. All right. Now, it's not everybody that has this eye icon on their challenge. That means the person has been approved. You might not have this eye icon on your profile when your challenge is approved, but you are actually approved. Okay. Now, another thing you have to know is this: when you're having a lot of votes, you will be paid. All right. When you're having this eye icon, that means they've actually noted you. Okay, you are like their, this eye icon shows that you are like a professional on the platform, you are like a celebrity on the platform. That's what it means. So do not take it that it's only when you see this eye icon that it means you are going to be paid. Yes, no. All right, people voting you, and the third one is, now take note of what I've just stated. I said when you're having this eye icon, it means that they've actually noted you as a higher profile, like you are giving them one of the most best on the platform. You are like a celebrity. Yes. Another one is people voting you high. You are having a very beautiful chance of being paid. Then the third one is this. Then before, at the end of the challenge, or before the end of the challenge, when you come to this particular box, the box of the challenge, then you scroll down to know if your picture is still there. If your picture is not there, invariably, if your own context is not there, that means you are not qualified for the challenge. You will be removed. You have been removed from the challenge. All right. You have to check in for another challenge you've done. That's why I said you have to make over and over plenty, a lot of challenges for yourself, so that you won't be opted for anyone you didn't win from. Now, I said, make sure if you have this eye icon on your challenge, that means you're qualified. Then that means you're a high profile person, like they actually recognize your context in a high value. Then another one, if you're being voted highly. Another one, if you see your content at the end of the challenge on the box, that means you are qualified. Okay, now let's go over to number two question people asked me about this platform, and I'm going to be using to tell you how you will know you are being paid on this platform. People usually ask me, how do I know I'm approved? Now, this is how you know you are approved on this platform and you are going to be paid on this platform. The obvious truth is that if your content is not matching to whatever instruction they've given you, okay, they are going to be removing it. And once they remove it, you are going to be getting a text at regards to the removal of your content. And when you do not get that text, it's obvious your content is approved. So all you need to do, you're just going to be giving them a lot of time, because the approval is done manually. So they didn't pay you, don't get worried. They're going to be paying you, because a lot of people, this is an international platform, and a lot of people are already on the platform. So you have to give them a little chance. Okay, as long as your picture is on the box of the challenge and you have not been sent any message, that means you are qualified. You will receive your payment. All you need to do is just give them a little more chance. Now, if you are not approved, you are receiving their text of not being approved. All right, the moment you do not receive any text, just know that you are approved, and give them a little long time, they will pay you. All right, okay, that's it. Now, this one said, how do I know that I am disqualified from the challenge? That's exactly what I've just answered now. I said, make sure you take note of the messages they send to you. There are a lot of people, they don't open their inbox on this platform. Very important to you as a contestant. You do have to open your inbox to know the messages they send to you. So if you do not receive a message that your content have been removed, invariably you are qualified. Okay, just let's take an example of what I'm just saying on this. I have this message that said, let me hold on a moment. I got a message that said, that one of the three challenge I've done, they've actually removed it. Okay, so possibly they thought I used an AI picture, which I didn't use, and this is one of the things they don't like on this platform. You do not use an AI whatever nominated picture, because it's already an AI platform. You review books, then you give them an AI concept for them to make their own AI. So there is no need giving them an AI prompt. So it's only when they ask you for an AI, because there are other challenges that requires you giving them what you think. There are challenges that requires you giving them what you think the world is going to be in the next 100 years with AI. All right. So that is when you're bringing in an AI. As much as they didn't ask you that question, please avoid AI. All right. Now, the question people ask that is still going to that you're going to do, all right, to ensure your payment. The question people still ask about that, and how you're going to know you are paid, is the pictures you are getting, the pictures you are putting on this platform, like I've just said, should make sure it is not an AI picture unless you are required for that. This is very, very important. Okay, make sure you are not putting an AI picture unless you're instructed to put one. Now, another one is that, now avoid going to bring another person's activities. Yes, most people will just go to Facebook. Imagine when you are just asked to do a vegetarian concept, you're going to Facebook to screenshot another person's concept. How do you think they're going to pay you? They're not going to pay you. All right, these people are looking for your own conception, your own perspective, what you think, how you're going to do this natural things. They like seeing you natural the way you are, because invariably they are still going to mold it. So you do not need to go ahead to go and capture another person's activities, because the moment you register on this platform, the moment you join this beautiful platform, this international platform, because it is a long time platform, it has been for years. The moment you join this platform and you're getting serious with it, they know. Okay, you can't just go and opt. You are asked to get a vegetarian, where you are, the instruction is give us a picture, snap a picture where you're eating vegetables, or you are showing you're a vegetarian. You go ahead on platforms and screenshot people's activities to them. It doesn't make sense. They're not going to pay you. They are not going to pay you. They're not going to reward your challenge. So when you're given an instruction, a challenge to do, follow it duly. Digest the question, then you go over and do step by step what they ask you to do. And I tell you, you'll be coming up with good results on this platform, in as much as you're following the procedures, what they said on the contest, the text they are dropping while you click on take part. Now let me show you a practical example of what I'm saying. Now let me just say I'm going to be doing a vegetarian concept now. Now, the first thing you do, just follow them first. Okay, follow that particular challenge. Then you click on your tech part. Most importantly, read what you're seeing here. This is the this is the prompt that would determine whether you will lose the challenge or you win the challenge. Digest this prompt first before you go ahead and take part on the challenge. If you do not digest this prompt, you are actually going to end up not getting anything on the challenge, possibly failing the challenge. So it is most important you make sure you digest the prompt very well. Okay, if I've given you a value on this tutorial today, please make sure you share this video. There are people who obviously have been on this platform for years, like I said on my previous video, who have not earned anything because they don't know the concepts to follow. They don't know procedures to follow on the platform to make the challenge a successful one. So please, you're going to be sharing it to them. Let them know that this platform is actually a legit one, and there are procedures that's going to make you successful on this platform. Okay, make sure you share, like, and comment. Right, remember, this is all for educational purposes. I'm going to be with you right back. I'm going to be bringing you updates over and over again. And do not forget to join my WhatsApp group. Do not forget to join my Telegram group. I'm going to be dropping all the links on the comment section and the description of this video. Please do well to click and join. There are beautiful people who are sharing the same ideas with you. They are little people who knows much about what you want, and I'm going to be putting you through still on the groups. Okay, I love you, and I'm going to meet you sometime soon. Bye bye.